Today we have a Flex 5 1470. So we're replacing the keyboard. Unfortunately, the keyboard is fused to the top case, which means I'm gonna have to remove everything in order to get that, which sucks, but that is the state of consumer laptops. So I already ordered the replacement one. As you can see, they ship it with the whole top case together. So we're gonna remove all the screws. I already did that earlier. And then it's held on by magnets. So take that off. Let's do the side. And we're just gonna start removing all the stuff. But first, we have to disconnect the battery. Don't short anything out by accident. There we go. Battery's disconnected. Let's remove the memory. I'm gonna upgrade this from 8 gigs to 16. Gonna remove this little 2.5-inch drive cage. Memory is replaceable. SM.2 is replaceable. 2.5-inch drive is replaceable. The battery out. It's right here. I think that's it. Oh, no, it's just a cable there. There you go. We're gonna have to replace the thermal paste as well while we're at it. Yep, look at that. Some old thermal paste. Okay, so cleaning that part of the heatsink wasn't too bad. Thermal paste off the CPU die itself. Cleaned off the thermal paste. For now, we'll just continue removing the heatsink here. And probably that there. There we go. I think it might be a pull-up. Yeah, it's pulled up. Okay. Remove that. Go. Now we have our fan. CD. There we go. Alright. Flip all these connectors open and plug them. Go. So rather than removing the antenna cables, I just remove the whole card. It's easier to put the card back in than it is to put the antenna cables in. Does this go underneath there? It does. Okay. So one more cable to here. At bottom right. This one's in the middle. Huh. All right. Okay. System board removed. Ripped eventually. All right. And it's not screwed in, so it's come right out. So there's a little tab here that's kind of holding the board in. I'll break that plastic. Oh, never mind. There we go. Okay. There we go. So one piece. Oh, it is nice. Lock it in. Okay, good. I'm going to transplant this DC jack. I think it's pretty simple. Right. Cool. Okay. Just kind of like covers over this area. We need more room. All right. Go. Okay, hinges in. All right. I should just be able to do this. There we go. Our hinge is back in and it's working perfectly. Good. So start with the dotted board. Go in reverse. All right. Oh, okay. Yeah, that works. That port looks okay. Yeah. Card reader looks good. Electrical tape, but we just roll it over each other and then that's our double-sided tape. And plug that in here. All right. So let's go that back in here. Let's plug that DC jack. These were supposed to for that. Yeah. There we go. Back in here like that. All right. Fan secure. Yeah, that's not moving. Yeah, that's secure. Bit here. That'll be for the smaller die, and then this will be for the bigger die. Down like that. Let's put it that way. There we go. There's the heatsink on. All right, that's good in there. Yeah, buddy, get in. All right, come on, yeah, that's in, locked in. We're good. There we go. So it goes in this way first. There we go. Plug this in first. All right. We're gonna upgrade this memory. One 16 gig stick. Sometimes laptops won't downclock properly, so you do have to put in the correct one. But this is fine. 3200 downclocking to 24. This in here. Should snap in. All right, we'll just put in an SSD here and then that should do the trick. Done.